every day I go down and take pictures of the construction project just on the other side of the building facing me on St. Helens. The building is now being built between that apartment house and the Scenic Bay. But I thought, well, the owner of that apartment house across the street is having a heart attack about now, but I talked to one or two of the residents who were waiting for a bus, and they say that they think that the owner is building the apartment houses. So it's not all that bad for him because he owns it, and when he cuts out here, of course, he's going to make up on the new. And even there's going to be some construction across the street on the right, because I talked to a surveyor the other day. I saw a surveyor and asked him if he can get it here for construction. He said yes. So apparently there'll be construction there too. That's a lot of construction of apartment houses in Tacoma. I like Tacoma. It's a nice, clean little town and beautiful scenery there. A lot of industrial area. I was surprised. But this is the clam shovels or shovel. It's loading these trucks that we saw at the front of this video, and they can load up a truck in no time. They're getting down to where they probably don't have a lot more to do here.